sorry. Alright guys. Today we're hiking to the hydrant truck trail right here. Going to the waterfall. We have two new members today. We have my Romi and we have Mindy up front. Oh yeah, yes. Oh yes, Mindy. Yup. They're already, you can't tell, they're super good hikers. They're already beating me up. Okay. And this is RAMIDOGG right here. We'll be going hiking the creek all the way to the waterfalls, the hydrant truck waterfalls, and we'll be hiking the what do you call it? The creek itself. This is Mindy right there. Yeah. Hi, Romi.
Hello, Romi.
What up, girl? Alright, so you guys know I'll be documenting the whole trip, so we'll talk to you guys later. Go Lakers. Yep. And now we're going to the creek. Yep. Yes, ma'am, going to the creek. Again, this is Mindy. She loves people taking big shots here. She's and Romi up front.
Hello.
And we're gonna have a great hike here. God, I was going downhill. Alright. This is Hydrant Truck Trail again. Today is the 18th of April, I think. Is it 17th or 18th? 18th. Oh yeah, by the way, tax day was yesterday, guys. So, I hope I did my taxes, I don't know. My bookkeeper probably did. Because I have no idea. Alright. Talk to you guys. Look at quails. Oh, look at, see the quails up there? Up front? See them?
Yeah, I see 'em.
Quails, baby. We will see a lot of quails. Look at that. Quails. Quails.
You're attacked over here.
Huh? This is my girl right there, Romi. And that's a bad one right there. We still love them, though. We love her. Okay, we'll talk to you guys there. Time to go quick. And now we are at a riverbed right here. Alright, going to the creek, guys. Alright. But of course, I got Romi and this is Romi.
Hello.
And this is Mindy. She loves cameras, by the way, guys. She loves cameras. She loves cameras. Her favorite thing in the whole world is cameras. Alright. The creek is gonna be there in a sec. See? I love Romi because she loves pictures. Sorry, Mindy, I love Romi more. I don't care. Hiking to the creek, y'all. Gonna hike the creek all the way up to the waterfall of Hydrant Truck Trail. Okay. So, creek almost there. It's gonna be a good hike. Good hike. Yep. Mandy loves, see guys how she turns. She turns because she loves camera so much. And there's a creek, girl is almost there. Careful. You hear it? You hear the creek, huh? Aha. We'll be hiking a creek. That's water. Yep. A lot less water than last time. Okay. So, goes behind me. Right there. Okay, we're going hiking. Talk to you guys later. Look at that, she's gonna charge into it. Yeah, Mandy! Here we go. Yeah. Look how clear the water in here, and it's good 2 feet deep in here, girl. So me and Mindy and Romy right now going to the Hardin Truck Trail waterfall. So it's gonna be a good hike. Yep, and here's the ladies. Yeah. There's, oh, she made it. She almost tripped, guys. She almost tripped. Keep going. Oh, get you in action here, Mindy. That's right. Yeah, we're going. Just follow the creek. Just follow the creek, girls. That way, if there's a mountain, if there's any mountain lion attack us, it will attack the first person. So, go for it, Mindy.
Yeah. Gotta go across, right?
What's up? Yeah. Girls in action. Good girls. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah. Beautiful hike so far, eh?
Yeah. Really cool.
Yeah, it's beautiful. The boulder's gonna get bigger, rocks gonna get bigger, freaking, you're gonna see more water. The closer we get to the waterfall, we'll see, you're gonna see a lot of frogs. Maybe some snakes too. Huh? You don't want snakes? Why not? Snakes fun. Yep. And that's how the terrain here, guys. Basically, we're gonna hike. We're hiking the creek to the waterfall. Look at Mindy, she just go in the water. Awesome. Go, Romy. Good job, Romy. Awesome. See my girl, Romy? Her name is R-O-M-I. My name is R-A-M-I. Alright? And Mindy, we don't care, really.
Fuck.
No, I'm just kidding. No, we love Mindy too. We'll talk to you guys later, alright? Later. Mindy and Romy in action right here. Hiking the creek. See them right there? This is what type of hiking right here we're doing today. Basically, we are hiking the creek all the way up to the waterfall. Hardin Truck Falls. And basically we're hiking the creek all the way up like this. I went about probably 100-150 yards ahead of them. That way I videotaped them going hiking in action, you know. So I love Romy so much, and Mindy. Oh my God, Mindy, we have problem. Me and Mindy, we have fighting. It's like a married couple. Me and Mindy, we're fighting all the time, arguing all the time. You know, all one of those things. But I love her to death. But see, this is the first one with the orange. That's my baby right here. That's Romy. I love you, Romy. I love you, Romy. I love you, Romy. I love you. And her name Romy, R-O-M-I. And yeah, that's my girl. Yeah. And my fighting girl right there. That's her right here. She's a fighter. Me and her will argue more than a fucking married couple, like I said. Alright. Hi, Mindy!
Hi.
And now we are gonna keep going to the trail. Here we come. Waterfall, here we come. Talk to you guys later. Okay, guys, here we arrived at the got to the first waterfall. This is a small waterfall, you know, right there. It doesn't have a lot of water usually, but it does have to rain like really hard to get water, you know. This is the first waterfall here now. Me, Mindy, and Romi. Okay. And the girls right here behind me. This is the terrain. Okay. This is Romi and Mindy. I love you, Romi. I don't know about Mindy. Mindy, I still love you, baby. I really still love you.
You're alright.
I love you. See that? She doesn't say, I love you, Romi. Romi, you're the best. You're right. God damn, I hate this girl. I love this girl. Alright, now we gotta keep going. That's the terrain we deal with here today. So all rocky, but it's fun time. This will be my first time doing it, and this time with my two girls right here. Alright, so talk to you guys later. Okay, we'll be documenting the whole way, all the way to the waterfall. Okay, so you guys know that. Take a lot of pictures, a lot of videos. Alright, and we'll finish this video with Mindy telling I love everybody. Mindy. Mindy.
I love Romi.
She loves Romi, not Rami. Okay, she loves everybody. She loves everybody. Come on, say it! No, she doesn't love everybody. She hates everybody. But we love everybody and we love her. Talk to you guys later. That's the frog guys right there. Here we're now. Probably have 1 hour to go. 1 hour 15 for waterfall. Okay. The doors right here. Basically rock climbing the whole way in here. See how bigger these boulders start to get? A lot bigger rocks, a lot steeper, a lot more water. That means we're getting close to the waterfall, you know? No, you can't go this way, babe. Sure? Yeah. Easy. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, good job, girl. Awesome. Whew. That's you know me. Look at this. Look at that, huh? You like it? Yeah, you can. Just be careful. Just be careful. Oh, the ball hill be that I go the other side.
Yeah. See that frog on the rock?
Yup.
Oh.
Jumped. Hold up, baby. RAMIDOGG to the rescue. Okay, baby. But it's very... You gotta be careful, right?
Should I not jump?
Huh?
Should I not jump?
I'm not recommend it, but... No, you have to jump right here if you want to jump. Okay? Make sure you hold my hand first. Okay, jump. Bingo. You good?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright then. Rock climbing now. Rock climbing, baby. This Mandy right here, see that girl, guys? She's crazy, by the way. Honey, you got it?
Yeah.
Huh? What do you think? Hi, Mandy. Mandy, Manduni, Mandana, Amanda. Beautiful area here. Talk to you guys later. Go there, kids.